Steel is defined as iron that contains a chemical composition of less than 2% carbon content. The most common types of steels include carbon steels, alloy steels, tool steels, and stainless steels. The mechanical properties of steel, such as strength, machinability, and hardenability, are important to understand prior to utilizing the steel for various products. The desired mechanical properties of the steel depend on the application for which the steel is produced. Steel is used in a variety of commercial and industrial applications worldwide, including vehicle parts, cookware, and construction equipment. The production process, alloys added, and the cooling process of the steel will create a steel with various microstructures and properties. These microstructures pertain to the arrangements of the atomic structures that form during the steelmaking process. In order to properly manipulate the mechanical properties of an alloy, steelmakers must be mindful of the various phases that steel may pass through during heating and cooling processes. These various phases are shown in an iron-carbon phase diagram, in which the microstructure of the steel changes with varying temperatures during cooling and solidification. The chemical composition of the steel and its properties determines the various grades of steels, which are divided into carbon steels, low alloy steels, tool steels, stainless steels, and electrical steels.